video tutorial about HTML Basic. Now, we teach you on how to make a simple web page using Notepad. But before that, let's define the HTML. What is HTML? HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the language of web page that allow you to connect to other with the help of hyperlink. What is the use of Notepad? The Notepad is the most simple tools to making a web page. HTML basic structures. These are the HTML basic structure tags. We have HTML, head, title, and body. What are their uses in making a web page? HTML indicates that the file is composed of HTML commands. Head contains the title element. Title encloses the written content that will appear in the title bar of the browser window. And last, the body includes all the other tags, elements, and other contents of your page. Now let's see the sample program. Click Start, then click the Notepad, then type the opening HTML tag and opening head tag. Then type the opening title tag. Then type the title that you want. Then close the title tag and also the head tag. Then type the opening body tag. Then type, "This is my first web page." This will be the content to your web page. Don't forget to close the body tag and the HTML tag. Now, click File, then Save As. Always save your work with extension name .html. Then save. Now, that will see your finished product. Now, you can make your own web page. Good luck!